how to add or remove the clipboard panel to the edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on display. Now from here, we scroll down and tap on edge panels. Now make sure the edge panels is turned on at the top here. Once it is turned on, we go down and tap on panels. Then in here, swipe across until you can see where it says clipboard. So if you want to add in the clipboard panels, just tap on that and that will be added to your edge panels. So here it is. It's got copy text and images will appear here. And to remove the clipboard, just deselect the radio box and it will be removed from the edge panels. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.